So this week we're gonna do ZWOW for the 6, and this workout is gonna be really short. It's gonna be super intense as always, and the only thing that you need for this workout is a pair of dumbbells. I'm using 8-pound dumbbells. So if you're a beginner, I suggest that you start with something lighter, maybe 2 to 4 pounds. Also, you're gonna need exercise mat, and that's it. This workout is great for small spaces, so if you have just a tiny living room, you can still do this workout in there. Let's start with the first exercise so that we know what we're doing on Thursday. Remember, Thursday we're doing this workout together in real time. One of the exercises in this workout is gonna be side plank knee tuck. So you're gonna get on your side, the top leg is in front, the bottom leg is a little bit back so that you have a good support. Your hand is right underneath your shoulder, this arm is strong, extended. Now you're gonna bring your other hand behind your head and you're gonna lift your hips up into the side plank. Now you're gonna do a knee tuck, so the top leg is gonna do knee tuck. You're gonna try to bring your knee towards your elbow and then back down. Bring your hips back down on the ground and repeat. So up, knee tuck, and down. Now, if you're a beginner, then just try to work on doing this hip lift. So just try to work on getting into the side plank. So if you're a beginner and you cannot do the knee tuck because it's a really challenging exercise, then try to at least bring your hips up into the side plank. So then we're going to switch sides and do the same thing. And there are 2 other exercises. So one of them is walk out burpee with one leg only. So this one leg is going to be in the air the entire time, and you're going to squat down on one leg, put your hands on the ground. Now you're going to walk out into the plank. Here, keep your body in one straight line, bring your body down, and then push up and walk your way back and jump up on one leg. It's a great exercise. Agility, balance, strength, you're gonna be improving everything with this exercise. So now if you're a beginner, then you don't want to do it on one leg, do it on both legs. So you're gonna walk out again. Here, if you're too weak to do, or if you're not too weak, but if you're not too strong to do regular push-up, then go on your knees and do the push-up off of your knees, like this. You can also modify the push-up by bringing your hips a little bit up. It might help you, and bend your elbows at least slightly. And then walk your way up and jump up. And that's it. So this is one leg walkout burpee. The last exercise, the third exercise that we're doing in this workout, is side jump lunge with the dumbbells. I'm using 8-pound dumbbells, and let me tell you, this exercise is amazing for your legs, especially for your butt, and it's an amazing cardio. If you add the weights to it, I was surprised how hard this exercise was. So you're gonna start in a side lunge. So this leg is bent. You're gonna push your hips back, keep your back straight, and try to get the knee into 90-degree angle. So really push your hips back. Try to get the thigh parallel to the ground, and you're gonna be reaching with the opposite arm towards your foot. Now we're gonna power up. You're gonna switch legs. Again, reach towards the foot with the dumbbell, and make sure that the other leg is fully extended. So jump and switch, like this. Common mistake is round back. You don't want to be rounding your back, you want to keep your back straight. Really think about keeping your back straight and abs tight, pushing your hips back. And that's it, and try to keep up the pace. Now if you're beginner again, and it's hard for you already this exercise, then forget about the weight. Try to do it with just your own body weight. And that's it. So practice these exercises at home. Let me know if you have any questions. Remember, we're doing this workout together on Thursday. Also, don't forget to visit my website zuzkalight.com because all of the Z-Wows are there. We have already 45 workouts. This week we're adding another one. There are nutrition tips that I have for you guys in my Z blog, so visit the site, leave me a comment there, and I'll see you on Thursday with Z-Wow 46. Ciao. Okay, guys. This workout was super fast, but really, really intense.